want to raise a larger issue here. While we saw this hailstorm in Srinagar, we also saw weather conditions taking a rather dramatic turn in Delhi, in the national capital region, where it was 40 degrees plus today till noon. And then suddenly, in a matter of seconds, the weather changed. A massive storm followed by rainfall that nobody saw coming. The severe weather conditions led to absolute chaos, damage on the streets of Delhi. Look at those images. This is from just a few moments ago. I suspect this is still the situation in Kalindi Kunj of Delhi, where you can see massive traffic snarls. Flyovers completely chock-a-block. This is near the Noida, Greater Noida Expressway and the Kalindi Kunj border that we understand that you've got this bumper-to-bumper traffic. Many people trying to head back home were stuck, stranded, because you had a massive dust storm with large gale winds, and then right after that, rain as well. So it led to widespread damage. Trees came crashing down, hoardings, all of that uprooted. There's this massive board. If you ever travel from Delhi to Noida, you'll be familiar with a board that says, "Welcome to Noida." That came crashing down. That's collapsed right in the middle of the road. Thankfully, no vehicles were damaged in that particular incident. But because of that, there have been traffic snarls. So widespread damage being reported. That's the video there of the massive "Welcome to Noida" board that's also come crashing down. That's collapsed right in the middle of the road. Fortunately, like I said, it didn't fall on any vehicle. But this is one of the causes of traffic snarls, that there has been public property damage. A lot of the roads closed off. Even metro operations were halted at some stations due to the strong winds and extreme weather conditions. So you saw life being disrupted, with some locations also seeing hailstorms. The Met Department has issued a red alert for Delhi NCR, warning of further intense weather activity through the night. So if you live in Delhi, if you live in the national capital region, watch out, be careful, don't step out unless absolutely necessary. Shreya Chatterjee gets you this report.
Dust storm coupled by cyclonic weather changes have affected across the Delhi NCR region. Talking about the present conditions, hailstorms have been reported from certain places in Delhi as well. There has been reports of waterlogging coming from Delhi NCR, be it the Noida as well as the Gurgaon region. Apart from that, crucial update about how metro connectivity has been heavily hampered across the red line, the yellow line as well as the pink line. There's been reports of metro being stopped at the Nizamuddin metro station. There's an advisory that's been issued by the DMRC suggesting that these lines have been affected because objects have fallen on the track, and there is inspection that is going on. So a security snap of certain metro lines have taken place due to such kind of a weather development. This was pre-expected. There was a development of a dust storm or a cyclonic disturbance that was expected, but this is something which has definitely caused havoc so far as traffic movement is concerned, because reports of power cut is also coming in from different places of the national capital. Waterlogging that continues, but clearly one thing alongside this extreme difficult conditions that's always seen when the weather changes, especially when we see storms coupled with rain, there is a standstill situation that continues to be reported. But amidst that, let's just remind ourselves that we were under a terrific 40 degrees Celsius burning in the Delhi NCR region. So yes, we are going to face a lot of trouble because of this weather change, but it also brings a sigh of relief. Now at least the weather is bearable and the temperature going down is going to help us at least for tonight. With video journalist Deepak Bisht, this is Shreya Chatterjee for India Today.
So in Delhi, the national capital region, a sudden storm wreaking absolute havoc. And this is peak summer, when usually you'll see temperatures crossing 45 degrees. Suddenly, you've got rainfall being reported every few days in Delhi. Global warming, climate change being reported not just in Delhi, but several parts of the country where we're seeing unprecedented rainfall even before the monsoons hit. Let's get you some of those images. Unseasonal rains wreaking havoc across Goa as roads were completely flooded. Drains were blocked, water entered shops and establishments, buildings also waterlogged. And this is just before the monsoon hits, which tells you how prepared Goa is really for the monsoon. This is Maharashtra, Satra, where you have heavy rains turning a highway into a river. The Bhoslewadi area in Satra district, traffic came to a standstill. The few vehicles that could travel through had to wade through all of this water, resembling a river essentially. On the Indore-Bhopal highway, rains triggered a massive traffic jam because trees came crashing down on the entire highway. Rain crippled normal life in parts of Gujarat too. Unseasonal rains are damaging crops, leading to the state government taking note. And the Met Department has predicted that there could be heavy rains in Gujarat for the next 7 days. Uttarakhand's Bhageshwar witnessed a heavy hailstorm, which again is leading to trouble for farmers in the area.